Ladies and gentlemen, in this video guide we will provide you with instructions to get rid of Template Creator tab. Initially, this website is advertised as a helpful tool that can assist you in creating various templates. However, the problem is that it also works as a typical browser hijacker that changes a lot of important browser settings. For instance, it modifies the home page, the new tab, and the default search engine. Unfortunately, this hijacker additionally may be involved in spying over the user's browsing habits, and similar to other hijackers, it may track a lot of sensitive information without the user's permission. So we recommend you to be extremely careful not to tolerate it in your browser. The hijacker may primarily affect Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and even Safari browser. So you need to undertake the measures to get rid of it effectively. Now let's analyze how to do it manually. If this template creator tab has infected your Google Chrome, you may go to the browser menu, click on More Tools and select Extensions. Now, if you find some suspicious extensions that can be related to that hijacker, Template Creator tab, make sure you disable and then remove them. So this should actually work and fix the majority of problems. However, I also recommend that you perform additional investigation of your Mac computer with the reliable antivirus specifically tailored for Mac, and I suggest you to do that with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on this official website combocleaner.com. After downloading and installing the software, you may start it through the Launchpad, and you will notice that the program doesn't differ too much from what it is described on the official web page. The only difference is that the software, in my case, is in the premium mode, but initially it comes with the trial mode. However, the trial version has also got some free features. In fact, these first three features are absolutely free to use: Disk Cleaner, Big Files, or Duplicates Finder. The antivirus, however, is the component of the premium license only. However, it gives you still the option of free scanning, free analysis of your Mac. So click on Start Combo Scan and the program will begin analyzing your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode. At the end of scan, the program gives a detailed report about the current situation with your Mac. It gives you some tips how your Mac performance can be enhanced, and you may also find the information about the real security threats found by its antivirus, even in the trial mode. You may click on Review the results in the antivirus section, and the program will give you a detailed report about all real security threats found during the scan. So you may find the exact location of each threat one at a time. The program will give you the place where it is currently stored on your Mac, so you may click on this icon, Show in Finder, and then you may remove each particular item manually by right-clicking on it and moving it to the trash, or you may click on Remove All Threads button. However, in this case, the premium version will be required.